Hi sweeties! Today we are going to take a look at the Power Smokeless Grill. Is it smokeless? We're going to find out. Does it grill? We're going to find out. Let's take a look at what comes with this grill. Before we get started, please subscribe to Speak Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and now let's get into it. We're going to grill some chicken on this to demonstrate it, but first let's see what it comes with. It comes with this grilling grate. The grate is, see how big, 15 inches by 9 inches. The heating, and the grate is dishwasher safe according to the manufacturer. Here's the heating element and control panel. It plugs in there. It's got this tray. Got these vents on the side. The unit comes with a fan. And it's got a water container. So the directions say to fill this with 2 cups of water. So that's what we're going to do. All right, let's drop this in. Carefully so I don't spill it. Let me give you a better look. Hang on. Now you can see our water tray inside. Here's the fan. I'm leaning you over a bit. There you go. The fan there. Put back this tray, and you see it's got arrows here to make sure you put it back in the right direction. So you put that down, and then you put the control panel back on top, and you can see there what that looks like. Put the grill grate back in. Let's see, each of these little handles. Then we can plug it in and let it preheat. And there's the controls, plus or minus. Turn that all the way up, and then the fan. Not too loud. So we're going to let that preheat, and we'll get to grilling some chicken. While that's preheating, let's talk about the lid. So it comes with this glass lid, and it's got a handle that also acts as a stand. See if you can see that. So it can stand up on its own. Now, I've only used this once before, and I was surprised when I pulled this out of the box today to find out that the lid was already broken. So that's a bad sign. This piece cracked in half. So that's troubling. The Power Smokeless Grill has been preheating for about 10 minutes, so it should be good and hot. We have some chicken here that I marinated in a mixture of soy sauce, barbecue sauce, brown sugar, powdered ginger, and powdered garlic. So the fat from the chicken thighs and the sugar from the marinade are really going to put this smokeless grill to the test. We're going to shake out the excess marinade. We don't want to make too much of a mess. We'll just lay this on that grill. It's been 5 minutes, so let's turn our chicken. But before we do, I notice an odd, high-pitched sort of feedback sound when the fan is on. Can y'all hear that? Turn it off for a minute. All right, let's flip those over. It's not quite cooking as quickly. It's supposed to be 450 degrees, but we don't have any grill marks yet. It's a little And you can see this is much paler than this side is. This piece of chicken is much paler. That doesn't look like it cooked at all. This piece on the back here. Now see, this piece though got good color. Now see that right there? So it definitely has hot spots on this grill. You can see the difference here where it's sizzling and bubbling. This side, nothing is happening at all. It's a little bubbling over here. Some sizzling and bubbling over here, but nothing on this side. The chicken thighs have been cooking for about 10 minutes now. And these are boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So let's see if we have any grill marks. No. I mean, it's no comparison to this Philips smokeless grill that I reviewed a few months ago. I'll put the link right up there. The Philips smokeless grill cooks evenly and gets hot. This one has some good color. That's what you're looking for. That one is so-so. Feels like back here, right here is a nice hot spot. This part, nothing at all, hardly. This is where all the action is. Okay, this is taking entirely too long. Boneless chicken, boneless skinless chicken thighs should not take 20 minutes to cook. Alright, I am very tired of waiting on this. You can see this is the thickest piece of chicken thigh and it is still not done. It's been over 20 minutes. And this claims to be cooking at 450 degrees, but I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Alright, let's try these. Zucchini. Marinated, just a little oil, salt, and pepper, keeping it real simple. Let's see how these veggies are doing, this zucchini and squash. Let's flip it over. If I can grab it. It's been on for about 10 minutes. And you can see clearly the uneven cooking. That one looks great. That looks delicious. That not so much. That looks good. So yeah, this is way completely uneven. Nothing here. Nothing there. Nothing. Ooh, there's that sound again. I'm just gonna turn that fan off. Alright, let's see what's happening now. I'm just gonna go for some. It's fine. That's not. Nothing happens on the side. Nothing happens here. So this is gonna be a no. This Power Smokeless Grill, and I've seen a couple other reviews, and quite a few of them have said the same thing. I'm going to move these over and put these raw ones in the center. That it just cooks very unevenly. 450 degrees, there's no way. There's no way this is 450 degrees. So this is a no. This is a fail. Let's give up. Because I'm hungry. Power Smokeless Grill. So, before I judge it too harshly, smokeless, pretty much. There's not a lot of smoke coming off of this anyway. Even when I had the chicken cooking in the sugary sauce, without the fan, there was a little bit of smoke. With the fan, clears it right up. Unfortunately, the fan began to make a very high-pitched, screechy, whiny noise. So, you know, very annoying. Hard to keep that fan on with that noise. But the biggest problem is that it doesn't cook evenly. It doesn't get hot enough on much of this grill. So it's just, that's not going to do. Only been a very small part of this grill cooked. So that's it. I'm gonna call it done. Power Smokeless Grill, I cannot recommend it. That's gonna be a do not buy. This is a fail. I do recommend the Philips Smokeless Grill. I'll put a link to my review of that at the end of this video. Cleanup is not too bad. I just use my palm scrub brush on the grill grate. This part is a little tougher. Not terrible, but not great. Let's bring this review to a screeching halt. Enough, let's call it quits. Do not buy Power Smokeless Grill, or at least check around with some more reviews and see what other people say. This one is not for me. So please tune in again to Sweet Savant. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit the subscribe button, that notification bell, and y'all have a delicious day. Check out this video for a review of the Philips Smokeless Grill. That works really well.